I'm now going to demonstrate Duro Dyne's Degreaser spray. This degreaser spray can be used to remove marker off of ductwork, grease, or paint off of ductwork, and stickers. I will demonstrate at this point how to remove these stickers now. Spray the sticker very heavily. Let it sit for about 10-15 seconds. Allow the degreaser to penetrate. Start a corner, gently peel, and there you have it. Peels the sticker right off. No more sticker on the ductwork, on exposed ductwork. If you have any questions, feel free to call Duro Dyne Customer Service or your local Duro Dyne Territory Manager. Thank you.